Hi guys. Do you remember that English saying morning shows the day? Well, today something of that sort happened in the first day of the test match between England and India. What was that morning shows the day? Well, in the very first over, Jasprit Bumrah got a wicket and then he ended up with 4 wickets, Mohammad Shami with 3 wickets, and England were all out for 183. India, in their 13 overs, are 21 for no loss, and that's how the day has ended, India on top. But that's not what the video is about. This video is about why Shami and Bumrah were dangerous. ये secret क्या है? I will reveal the secret. But before I reveal the secret, you have to quickly subscribe to our channel. Please remember it's free of cost. Ring the bell icon because every time we, publish a video, you will get notified if you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Now, getting back to the day, in the very first over, Jasprit Bumrah got a left-hander out. Is that surprising? No, right? Rory Burns got out for a knot, and he was not the only England batter who got out for knot. There were 3 more who definitely are in that list. Zach Crawley played well. Recently, Zach Crawley has been that, that batter for England who has looked good, but at times has failed to convert those into big knocks. And today was one more such day. Joe Root, Joe Root scored another 50. Wait, who's surprised? Nobody is. He scored his 50th 50, but that was not enough because he got out to a very good delivery from Shardul Thakur. There was a questionable selection leaving out Ashwin and playing Shardul, but seems like India has got the 4 pacer theory pretty on point. And why not? When 2 of your best pacers bowl this well, Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Shami kept pegging at the stumps. That was the main reason that they got the ball to talk, because from the stumps, when the ball swings, it becomes more difficult for batters to handle it. One of the biggest examples of how straight Shami and Bumrah has bowled and how they were attacking the stumps is the Dan Lawrence wicket. I know it was, people might say that he was unlucky, but that shows that, he was cramped up for room and suddenly he saw a ball a little down the leg. So he thought, this is my chance of scoring, and he tried to push it down, he tried the leg glance and got out. Where England were not in that bad a position. They were 138 for 3, and a very dangerous partnership between Johnny Bairstow and Joe Root were building. Why is the partnership dangerous? Because Joe Root quietly goes about his job. But it's Johnny Bairstow, once he settles in, he is dangerous. And that wicket was important. In comes Mohammad Shami and out goes Johnny Bairstow and Dan Lawrence in 1 over. And suddenly, England in 22 odd runs loses 6 wickets. It was a last show from Sam Curran that saved them a little and took them to 183. Well, when tailenders started batting, I think all of us were concerned about India recently. Even in the WTC final, we saw had struggled to get the tailenders out. But today, Jasprit Bumrah was on fire, and coming back after injury, he has faced a lot of questions. He has answered them. Boom, boom, Bumrah hit Anderson's stumps and ended the innings. England's innings was closed at 183. I want to tell you a secret. The KL Rahul you are seeing is actually not KL Rahul. He is not the KL Rahul of 2021. He is the KL Rahul of 2017. The body language, the confidence, the control, this was missing. And it shows he is in a very good mind frame. Rohit Sharma plays really well as a test opener. It's just that after he has settled, that becomes a bit of a problem. At times, he, loses his composure and gets out. But so far, so good for India. The only thing that India probably missed today was winning the toss. But that actually turned out to be very lucky for us, because if India had batted first, the overcast conditions would have helped the England pacers. But because India bowled first, we got the first draw of blood. That's it for today. Tomorrow promises to be a not so bright day because there is a forecast of rain. Let's hope whether it rains or doesn't. Important part is whenever India comes out to bat, you, me, we, all Indians will hope and pray that the pitch doesn't pose a lot of issues and the bowlers don't ask too many questions. But I guess that's what Test cricket is about. Join me again tomorrow. Same time, same place. You from your home, me from my home. And let's discuss day 2.